Hey guys, this is John Vincent Balasaberry and welcome back to episode 2 of Memorization Time. This time I'm going to name all 157 barangays in Calvary City. No hesitation, let's just get started. Asidillo, Alibaba, Agititan, Amampakan, Kisawan, Kasawan, Poblations. Next, Bayo, Bigaho, Baha, Baay, Balconiponan, Bantian, Benalio. Next is Pungtum, Bontay, Balud, Pasud, Kakawansan, Kabayan, Kagnipa, Kagwanlango, Kaganahaw, Kagkaniwon, Agto. Next will be Kagbanayakaw, Kagsalawsaw, Kawayman, Kapuukan, Kaumen, Central, Cogon, Dinawakan, Dinabongan, Dinagan, De Victoria, Dawo, Dagom, Danau 1, Danau 2, Esperanza, Gabay, Gasto, Gawagaan, Gembawan Norte, Gembawan Sur, Gagawan, Helino, Himalando, Gibatang, Hugang Rosales, Hamawawan, Asinton, Himautan, Jose Eronio, Kaninihan, Kilikili, La Paz, Longso, Limawayon, Libertad, Lonoy, Look, Mabini 1, Mabini 2, Mangkol, Maysalom, Maybog, Mawakap, Malupalom, Matobat, Malupalo, Matobato, Malayog, Malahog, Manginoo, Manueva Senyo, Naga, Naban, Mamangkao, Naga, Naban, Nihaga, Nabawo, Naguma, Naga, Nabang, Nabawo, Nihaga, Naguma. Yunnan. Osmeña, Ubuo, Bokendo, Obrero, Olera, Pinamurutan, Panunungon, Panlayahan, Pagbalikan, Payahan, Penya, Pilar, this is one video. Pilar, Paton, Q, Quezon, was 1, was 2, Rizal 1, Rizal 2, Waris, S, Sapotan, Sigo, Salag, San Antonio, San Rufino, Senantan, San Policarpo, San Jose, San Isidro, San Joaquin. Sinilman Oriental, Sinilman Occidental, Salvacion, Tababacante, Napalacante, Nabacang Norte, Tanahiban, Tinambacang Sur, Tamanigues, Tapae, Tigbe, tapos ano naman ako sa Tanbal, Trinidad, Osaban, B, Victory, Benja, Himosa. Yan lang ang 157 round guys in Calvary City. If I miss one, let me know in the comments section down below, and we'll see you in the next episode of Memorization Time. I am JV, and we'll see you on the next episode.